Think your auto repair shop is just another garage? Think again. What if I told you your business could explode online? Overnight? Welcome to America's Best Shops marketing service. Picture this, your shop buzzing with new customers daily, all from one powerful online strategy. Sounds crazy? It's happening right now. While others waste thousands on ads that vanish, you grab real, paying clients who need your expertise. And here's the twist. It's not about selling more parts. It's about unlocking a marketing system tailor-made for auto repair pros in Fort Worth. Imagine your phone ringing off the hook, social media posts that customers actually care about, Google searches flooding in, all automated, all simple. This isn't just marketing, it's your business's growth rocket. Still wondering if it works? America's Best Shops has fueled thousands of garages just like yours. The question is, are you ready to unlock your shop's full potential? Don't wait. Fort Worth's market is waiting to find you. What if today's the day your business becomes the talk of the town? Ready to power up? Click now. Your next customer is online, waiting for you.